Hey everyone, have you ever been frustrated with cleaning the corners of your car or feeling helpless when you need to inflate your floaties on the pool? So what you see here is the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex vacuum, and it offers basically a high power suction solution while being cordless. The wide range of features with this vacuum make it super easy to actually clean easier and more efficiently. So today we're going to explore the main features of this vacuum, how it can basically solve your common cleaning problems. So the Fanttik vacuum can basically vacuum, blow, inflate, and pump all at the same time. This end over here acts as the vacuum, and this end over here acts as the suction, pump, or inflation tool. The V8 Apex vacuum includes all these accessories that you see here, including the 3 pump handles, multiple different accessories for the vacuuming side, and also different components to kind of basically just brush out dust and have a better experience when cleaning. It's got a powerful 19,000 suction grade. It's got a normal mode and then a high power suction mode. It's portable. It's super slim, it's compact, and all these accessories that you see here go easily within this pouch. To empty out the dustbin, you simply just flip this latch open and then pop it open. And as you can see, you can empty out the dustbin that way. Once it's emptied out, you simply just flip the latch back on, and now you have an empty dustbin. The vacuum itself is rechargeable. So as you can see here, we do have a USB-C port, making it super easy and convenient. And again, it is a cordless vacuum, which is all the better to clean with. So this vacuum overall is super easy to use. As you can see, it's super slim and portable. If I want to use the inflation side, so I actually just recently used this to actually inflate a floaty, you simply just grab one of the inflator tools or sides and press it, and then you've got the inflation. This also acts as a duster as well, so if you ever cleaned your car before and you know about those little tiny dust particles that are a bit kind of hard to actually vacuum off, this is where the duster side also comes in handy. It comes with the vacuum side as well, and with this one you have multiple different hose attachments. So here we have the brush side, here you have the flexi hose to get to those hard to reach places. And voila, like that. You can combine the flexi hose with this little tiny brush that they also give you to kind of vacuum off different dust particles. And you've also got this pet hair brush, which makes it super convenient for, as you guessed it, pet hair. So this vacuum is super easy to use. It's lightweight. Normal suction power, it lasts about 40 minutes. And on a high suction power, it lasts about 15 minutes. But let's be real though, we don't plan on vacuuming for more than 15 minutes, right? Obviously the vacuum, it does have a motor to it, so we are going to hear some sound. But even so, the portability and basically the compactability of this vacuum overcome the noise that it makes. With all the different attachment nozzles that you see over here, this is going to be great for getting those pet hairs within your car. This flexi hose is absolutely crucial when it comes to getting those hard to reach places. The different dust blowers that you see over here make it super easy to dust those little particles away. And so the Fanttik V8 Apex vacuum is a really neat portable vacuum. I really love the aspect of how it's rechargeable, it's slim, it's super easy to use. It includes all these different nozzle attachments that you see over here. Although the dustbin isn't the biggest dustbin that you've seen on the market, you're not looking to clean like entire living rooms with this vacuum. You're looking to clean like interior, small areas. The dustbin easily detaches off, pop it back out, latch it back in place, and the HEPA filter that includes is super easy to clean out as well. You simply just wash this, let it dry, and so they do give you 2 of these. And because of all the different components that you see here that it comes with, this carrying pouch that you see over here is absolutely essential. It's basically going to house all these different components so you don't lose any pieces. So overall, I'd say the Fanttik, I recently used it to clean my car, the trunk of my car, and it worked perfectly just fine. It was able to get all the pet hairs. So if you're looking for a versatile tool that makes cleaning your car, home, or even keyboards or computer a breeze, check this out. This is going to be able to reach those tough spots in your car or deal with that stubborn pet hair. This vacuum is going to have you covered. So I've had this for quite some time now and I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, subscribe to the channel for more reviews from Product Clash.